Let's look at this question. What is the minimum value of the expression 2a square plus 3b square plus 6a minus 9b plus 9? Okay, let us try and work our magic. First I have 2a square plus 6a. Keep this separate. Then you have plus 3b square minus 9b. Keep this separate, plus 9. Take 2 out common. You're left with a square plus 3a. Now if you wanted to complete the perfect square here, if you wanted to complete a square plus 3, 2 into n into a gives you 3a, 2 into n into a gives you 3a. So here it should be 3 by 2 whole square or 9 by 4. Okay. Here you have take 3 out common. You're left with b square minus 3b. Again, if you want to complete the perfect square, you should have plus 9 by 4 here. But 3 into 9 by 4, 3 into 9 by 4 gives me 27 by 4 or 6.75. 2 into 9 by 4 gives me 4.5. So, you're left with plus 9 minus 27 by 4 minus 18 by 4. Okay, or 2 times of a plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 3 times of b minus 3 by 2 whole square plus, what will it turn to minus? 45, it will turn to minus 9 by 4. If you take a equal to minus 3 by 2 and b equal to 3 by 2, these two terms would give you 0. Minimum value of the expression would be minus 9 by 4, which is option B.